We may be young or old, but we must be bold against the enemy untold. We can't go to malls, nor we can go to waterfalls because this virus is so scaring. If you have to go out, think twice. Wear your mask, be wise. After coming home, sanitize and wash your hand thrice. COVID-19 is the name. It is playing a hide and seek game. By following the rules, we can ensure and end this game. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Priyanka Yadav from Mahatma Gandhi Mahavidyalaya, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And I am here to present this presentation with whole my team. My name is Priyanka Yadav, Priyanka Khujur, Priyanka Banchor, Poonam Topo and Radhika Divan. Now, thank you so much Dr. Sonali Chinawa ma'am. Thanks for being a good mentor and for guiding us on the right path. Thank you so much ma'am. I will always be grateful to you Shweta Ojha ma'am for your support and kindness. It would be impossible to count all the ways that you have helped us in our PPT presentation. Thank you so much ma'am. Here we are going to cover overview of COVID-19, symptoms of COVID-19, preventions of COVID-19, spread of COVID-19, myths of COVID-19 and impacts of COVID-19. Let's start with overview of coronavirus. The coronavirus 2019, officially labeled as COVID-19 by WHO World Health Organization, is a respiratory illness that first started in China. This virus is widely spreading across all the countries, causing many death issues. Now, we'll go through the symptoms of COVID-19. We'll start with fever, respiratory issues, cough and sneezing, lack of breath. The first one is fever. Fever usually go away by themselves after 1 to 3 days. A fever that lasts longer than normal may be a serious even if it is only a slight fever. Difficulty in breathing is a common symptom of respiratory issues. Absence of breathing that gets more severe over the time. Cough and sneezing is a common symptom found in a COVID-19 patient. Maintain at least 1 meter 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing and sneezing. Lack of breath, that means respiratory issues occurs in your body. Now we'll start with tips of preventions. How to prevent these infections. We'll start with first one, that is wash your hand. Wash your hand with soap. Wet your hand, clean it with the running water, turn off the tap and apply soap, and then scrub it and dry it. Use your face mask for whatever the reason you are going outside from your home. Don't touch your face. Help stop coronavirus to enter your home. Stay at home, stay safe. Don't allow coronavirus to come to your home and stay healthy. Avoid mass gathering. This will be the best way to prevent yourself from COVID-19. Work from home, stay at home, avoid going outside unnecessary, and type. How does coronavirus spread? The virus is spreading between the human who are within 6 feet of distance and who emits respiratory droplets through cough and sneezing. Here is the video will show you how the COVID-19 spread from one person to another person. Now, we'll discuss about the few myths about coronavirus. Here, we'll start with the first one, that is, only older adults are at risk. No, that is wrong. Children cannot get COVID-19. Oops, it's also a myth. Everyone with COVID-19 dies. Oh, this is also a wrong information. Face mask always protect against coronavirus. No, wrong statement. Antibodies या antibiotics kills coronavirus. Sorry. Parcels from China can spread coronavirus. Oh shit. It's also a wrong statement. Drinking alcohol reduces the risk of infections. No. Now we'll discuss about the impacts. Macroeconomic and financial outcomes of the coronavirus have materialized in just 3 weeks in comparison to the 3 years this took for the 2008 financial crisis. Markets are down 35%, credit markets have seized up, and credit spread have peaked to 2008 levels. Get COVID-19 vaccination as soon as you're allowed. Save lives. We are all in together. Get the vaccination as soon as possible. Our team have already done. Now it's your turn. Take your vaccination as soon as possible. Few paintings have been created by Priyanka Yadav. That's me, as an awareness for the people who are still not understanding the problems world is facing from COVID-19. The first painting is be aware of few fake newses which are going on around the society. Join your hands and fight against coronavirus. The next painting is related to stop COVID-19. Prevention is always better than cure. What we have to do and what we have not to do are given in this painting. All for one and one for all. Keep biodiversity, our future may fall. What we are doing today, we have to face tomorrow. Here, this painting is showing where the doctors are trying to request us that we stay at work for you and you stay at home. Use mask, sanitize, wash your hands. For us, jaan hai to jahan hai. At the end, I would like to conclude by saying that although the world is full of sufferings, it is also full of overcoming of it. By Helen Keller. We need to act together and we need to act now. Stronger together. Few data have been collected from Google, SlideShares, YouTube. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like it, press the icon, like button, subscribe my channel and share my channel as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching.